Alright, in this video today we're going to look at reversing the order of, in this case, strings in an array list. So we've created an array list, we called it colors here, and we're just making a new array list, and these are just 4 colors that we added to it. So we're just red, green, blue, and purple. And just as a refresher to populate an array list, you name your array list, so that's what we did right here. And so we're going to call upon that name, and then we're just going to add, and we're telling what we're going to add in each spot. So in this case, the first spot's going to have red, then the second's going to have green, and then blue, and then purple. And what we want to do is, we can print this out, and it would print red, green, blue, purple. What we're going to do in this case is we're going to use a for loop, and we're going to reverse the locations, the order of the strings that are in this list. Okay, so we're just going to set up a very simple algorithm for that for loop. And we're just going to say that you will see this a lot in coding is this particular algorithm. Sorry, as I'm typing. All right, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to start at the first location, and we're going to go through so long as the location is less than the size of the array list. Then we're going to keep incrementing by 1. And so what we want to do inside of that now is we're going to make a new string. We'll just call it C. And what that's going to keep track of is as we navigate or traverse through this array list, we're going to remove the item that's there. So as we go through, the very first item will be red. Okay, and then what that's going to do is it's going to remove it and add it to C. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add it back. Okay. And actually, let's just add a couple brackets in here too. Oh, and don't forget the semicolon. Let's just tidy this up a little bit here just to make it look good. Okay, and then outside the for loop, what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and print our array list. All right, make sure I got everything here. Looks like we do. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. Oops. Not cold. See. So this actually just, what it's going to do is add our item that we just removed back into the array list at the back end of the array list. All right, so there you go. So we added them in this order, so red, green, blue, and purple. And notice what we now have is purple, blue, green, and red. Okay, so if we were to print this off beforehand, in fact, let's go ahead and just go ahead and do that. Okay. So this is going to print our array list here in red, green, blue, purple, and then this is going to reverse that order and then print it out again, and you'll see what happens here. So see how it does red, green, blue, purple, and now we're doing purple, blue, green, red. All right, hopefully that helps you. And again, this is a very, very, very common algorithm to navigate through arrays, array lists. Very, very helpful. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.